Assalamu alaikum. Okay, so I'm just going to show you the working of the code. Okay, so in the previous code I have sent you the things, but since I just checked something that's not working properly, so now here we are going to have, like, let me just show you here. It just shows that, okay, this S0 is the state. Okay, so S0 is the initial state. I have designed the report also. I can just show it to you here. Okay, so it is very easy. Okay, so when it is S0, so when will be 0 and lose will be 0? When RB is 1, okay, RB is 1, okay, so it means that the rolling is like the push button is pressed, okay, pressed down, okay, until when the RB is 1, so it will stay on the state 1. When the RB is released, when the push button is released, so it means that RB 0. Okay, so it will have three results: either win, lose, or S4. Okay, so here you can see that when RB is 1, so it will stay in the state 1. When RB is 1, it will stay in the state 1. When RB is 0, so it will have three outputs. Okay, so first is if the output is either 7 or 11, so it will go to the win state, which is 2. Okay, so it is 2, so the win state is S2. Okay, then if it is D2 3 12, so it will go to S3, which means lose. Okay, so which means lose. Okay, so it goes to S3. Okay, so lose is equal to 1. Okay, now if neither of lose or win are there, so it will go and save the some value in the pointer, some pointer. Okay, so it's actually a register memory. It will just store inside this. Okay, then it will move to S4. Okay, it will move to S4, like S1 is going to S4. Okay, now what is the consideration of this? If RB is 0, so it will stay in S4. Okay, like here, if RB is 0, so it will stay in the state 4. If RB is 1, so it means that the rolling is continued. So if RB is 1, like it is 1 from the state 4, it will move to state 5. Like from state 4 RB equals to 1, it will, and still like this. If RB is 1, so it will stay in the state 5. Now here we are going to have, like, the SP have the sum. Okay, SP have the previous sum, and this equal shows you if the previous sum is equals to the current sum, so it means yes, so it will go to win. Okay, it will go to win. So that I have just done right over here, like S5 to win here, either it will lose or, okay, let me show you up now. Okay, so if equal, so equal to so it will go to win. If it is equal to 7, if it is equal to 7, so it will go to lose. And if nothing happened, mean neither it is equal not equal to 7, then it will go to state 4 again to roll the dice again. Okay, now moving toward the third, so I have updated this thing over here. I have added some states also, comments also right over here. Like when it is state 0, so here, if the roll is applied, so it will go to state 1. Okay, state 1. If the roll is 0, so just check whether this is enabled, so then state that win equals to 1. If the D2 is enabled, so it means that the lose is 1, and just move toward the next state, that is win. Okay, so like here you can have each and everything, so you can read it. It's very easy according to the FSM diagram right over here, like the flow chart here. This is state machine describing each and everything. So I have just changed a bit here, not a bit but much more, and the rest are the same. Okay, so this is now working perfectly. I'm just going to give you the working of the FPGA board. board, and I'm just going to show you how it's working. Okay. Okay, now what this is going to have, okay, I'm just showing you, this is the rolling button, okay, push button, this is the rolling up, and this one is reset, okay, this one is reset, okay, this LED shows you when, and this LED shows you lose, okay, reset. So these are the control things, okay. So now let's implement. Okay, when I was just using, so it was not the initial, so that's why it's just on 7 it will be loose, okay. So I'm just going to reset it, so it's now reset 0. So let's just push the button up, so it's 6, okay. So on the first it's so like we are having 6, okay, like on the one, okay, so 6. So now it will go to SP because it's neither lose neither win. Why? Because we are going to check 2 3 12 for lose, sorry, 2 3 12 for lose, and 7 11 for win. So it's nothing, right? So now we are going to roll it again, it's 10, okay. So we are going to have this win, okay. Now let's, okay, now again, like on the first thing it's 11, okay, so it's considered as win. So you can see on the first one, okay, on the first rolling dice it's just this, okay. Resetting this again, okay, so it's 12, okay, so 12, which means lose, so it's just working, okay. Now again 4 2 4, okay. So what's here, like the 4 was previously coming up now, so it just showed up that the 4 was the previous value, so it just saved it and it shows that yes, it's a 4. So when it is equal to that, so win will be the result. So now you just see that each and everything is working perfectly. I'm just going to see up for the lose thing, so say okay. Okay, I was just showing you up that on the loose on 7, but I guess that's far, so I cannot judge it by my own self. So each and everything you can just note down each and everything here, okay. This LED is the win, okay, and this switch button, this switch is the reset, okay. This LED, this one LED shows you the lose, okay. This one, this middle one is the rolling, okay. Thank you.